let's go over widgets. And Phototastic does not have a whole lot, but just a few. We have a few in the sidebar for the blog, as well as what's in the footer. And let's get started. We want to come to Appearance, Widgets. And we have two sections over here on the right. We have a right, which obviously is for the blog, and we have footer, which we have custom widgets for a Flickr feed, a popular post feed, and user info about me section, which is right here. All right, so we can grab all those from over here. And just a quick note that we can use a few widgets, custom widgets or standard WordPress widgets in the sidebar of the blog. However, not every widget you can add to the sidebar of the blog will work in the footer. Okay, so if you do that and it's the format is not looking right, something's off, that just means that widget is not compatible for the footer. Okay, as well as not every single widget you find, you download, you set up on the site will work in the widgets area, including the blog and the footer. We've only set up a select amount. Everything else outside of that is up to you to format or set up if you need to use something that does not come with Phototastic. Okay, so first thing is I have my categories set up, and you can grab that from right here. I just give it a simple name. If we look at the back end, the front end, we'll see categories first. Here's our categories, our archives, our tags, etc. And we'll see those in order. Simply just drag and drop. If I need to change the order, I'll just simply do that. We'll see for the footer feed, we'll have our user info. We can grab that right here. All right, and if you expand and open these boxes, it's pretty much going to tell you what you need to do. The ones in the sidebar are self-explanatory. Basically, they're all simple titles. Tags, that's my title. Archives, that's my title. So those I'm really not going to get into because they're standard WordPress items, and we're not going over standard WordPress things in these tutorials. The user info is custom, so I'll go over that. Here's our title. Here's the link here to the avatar. So here's your picture. Basically, you see this photo right here? That's the photo that you upload. You need that link. Here is the link right there. You need to grab that photo. Here's the read more link. You fill that in. And so when I click this, where does this go? Right there. Here's your text, which we see, excuse me, sorry about that, right here. Here's the text. That's it. Once you're set, go ahead and save. For your Flickr feed, you need your title, of course, your Flickr ID. If you are not sure how to get your Flickr ID, please Google it, and you can find multiple searches on how to find and get your Flickr ID. Last but not least is your popular post with images. Simply give it a title, and the Phototastic theme will do the rest. It's going to pull your popular post based on visits. That's how we have that one set up. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for widgets.